Hello and welcome to Instant Nerd. In this video, I am going to tell you how to fix Gmail login issues on iPhone. So let's get started with the video. First, you need to make sure that you are connected to a stable internet connection. For that, you can go to the settings of your iPhone and here you can go to the Wi-Fi section. If you do not have a strong Wi-Fi connection, what you can do, you can try to switch to cellular data over here and then again try to switch to another network. The next step which you can do is try to update your Gmail. You can open the Play Store and in the search bar that is at below right corner, you can search for Gmail over there and make sure that the Gmail is of the latest version, updated to the latest version. The next step is just try to shut down your iPhone once and try to restart it. Go to General and then click on Shut Down. So this might also resolve the issue. If this do not resolve the issue, just make sure that your iPhone is of the updated version. Click on software update. As you can see, mine is up to date. The last step which you can do is, if this do not solve the issue, is hold on the particular Gmail application and try to uninstall it. Click on remove app and then click on delete app and try to install it again and then try to solve login again. This will basically solve the login issue. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.